are at the Eat Street North Shore, where there's a whole variety of food vendors here with only $3 entrance fee. $3 entrance fee. You get all a variety of food vendors as well as entertainment. This is the best introduction to Brisbane that I could have ever imagined.
Our last morning here in Sydney before flying out to Brisbane this afternoon. So we're heading off to breakfast near our Airbnb. We are in Kathmandu again.
Shopping again.
Last minute shopping. Hey, where's everybody going?
Bondi Beach.
We're not.
Oh. You're going to the airport.
We ended up at the rocks and staying at the rocks. Around the rocks. They're trying to get their Uber.
That's it.
I'm kind of sad. It'll just be me and Darwin again. But we're meeting up with my cousin, so it won't be all our lonesome.
We'll order another one.
Bye guys!
Bye. Have a nice trip. I'm sick. I'm sick. Have fun. Bye.
See you guys back at home.
I don't know if you guys gonna
Safe flight.
I don't know if
It's an SUV.
you'll open the back. It's an SUV, but it's a four-door. It's a four SUV.
Make sure you change your name. And normally we put Japanese barbecue with mayonnaise and like that.
Thank you. Yeah, great.
Welcome to New Zealand. Welcome to New Zealand.
Can I have more?
Salamat. Masarap, masarap. Adobo, adobo.
And so begins the harrowing battle with audio from this day till the last remaining days of the trip. I am using the Movo VXR10 universal video microphone that I bought through Amazon, which had high positive reviews. It is the generic version of the Rode Video Micro, which I also have, but I opted to use this microphone because I wanted one using a non-flexible shock mount. What I didn't foresee was that the cable native to this microphone was going to interfere with the audio and that ultimately it would easily disconnect from the port. It's not in my normal routine to play back my videos, not even as I transfer them to a portable hard drive. So many lessons learned about equipment on this trip. 2 big takeaways. Stick to a Rode microphone setup. And bring a secondary backup camera, which I didn't because I was completely relying on the durability of my equipment to make it through 16 days of travel. We are here at the domestic terminal and our gate has changed from 58 to 57 and our flight time is a bit delayed from 4:15 p.m. On board our flight. It's so funny when we have to board the plane via stairs. But in that way too, what's odd is that it feels like you're really going to fly, you know? But in any case, a few odd things about the check-in process. As easy as it is to check in here in Australia's domestic processes, they don't ask for ID. And they don't ask that you throw away your liquids. They don't ask to take your shoes off, your jacket, or anything like that. What they do require is for you to present your laptops. And then there's also random checking. Otherwise, you're just good to go. And so the whole security check-in is so fast. And we have just arrived in Brisbane. It was a less than 2-hour flight, very smooth, very quick to disembark because they use both doors, the one in the tail end and the one in the front end. Everyone should do it that way. All airlines. Yet again in a new location, which is Brisbane. My cousin lives here, which is why we came on this side north of Sydney to spend some time with her and also get to know Queensland or a few places here and there. she definitely introduced us to Brisbane with a bang by taking us to the Eat Street North Shore. There were so many food vendors to choose from. I was even overwhelmed. There is nothing to compare to in the Bay Area, maybe except for the food nights that are being held at the Alameda County Fair grounds, I believe on a seasonal basis. By the way, by the time my cousin picked us up and drove us straight to the street food fair, both my phone battery and my camera battery died. So I have been borrowing Darwin's iPhone to film half of the footage and videos and pictures at the street fair. So stay tuned, stick around, subscribe to see future videos. From my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.